What if your next team session actually worked? Not with loose promises of increased productivity, but an actual impact that will affect the most important resource that you've got, your team. An impact that makes them say, wow, that really had an impact on me. It's easy to make a loose promise on a desirable outcome, such as increased sales, productivity, better customer satisfaction. But it won't happen if your team aren't on board. So here's my approach. Make it about them. Give them something to help them help themselves. You employed them for what they can bring to the company, so let's help them bring it. And it all comes down to their needs, to feel certain, to have variety, to be valued, and to connect with others. Get that right, and the brain chemistry to support it will follow. It's science. Get it wrong, and they'll keep sneaking off to the toilet to death scroll on their phones until their legs go numb. I turn that science into fun, fast-acting strategies that boost their individual needs and help them to be at their best. Bring me in to deliver something that will not only change the way they work, but the way they live. It's live and in person, it lasts just 1 hour, and there's loads of ongoing support, including an online course that helps them build healthy habits. So if you're thinking, wow, that could really impact us, or you just want to discuss your team needs, then tap me up for a quick chat. We'll go from there.